Welcome to the funeral program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials and personalized and loving memory keepsake products. In this video, we will share how to make a Gatefold funeral program. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Doing so enables us to continue making valuable content to equip you during a time of loss. A Gatefold funeral program is a unique and attractive alternative style for a printed memorial. Similar to the traditional trifold funeral brochure, the Gatefold offers 3 panels and folds after assembly. The difference is, the center is wider than the side panels, and the folds are slightly different. This style can be done in a legal or tabloid size. The assembled Gatefold program simulates the opening of a gate, hence the name. You can create the Gatefold funeral program from scratch or by using a pre-made template. If you want to make it from scratch, some work will need to be done prior to entering your information. First, determine the size you want to create. Then get a blank sheet of paper and fold the program in thirds, leaving a wider center panel. Once you fold the blank sheet, open and begin measuring the location of the fold lines, from left to right. Then open the software you want to use and place your ruler line on the folds. You can now create the text boxes for each panel. It is important that you are very familiar with the software prior to starting your layout, to avoid or minimize any technical issues that may arise. Setting up a Gatefold funeral program from scratch can be time-consuming. If you'd like to get a jump start on the process, utilizing a Gatefold funeral program template is a better option. The funeral program site offers 2 sizes for the Gatefold templates, available for immediate download. We've taken care of the technical setup and background design, so all you need to do is begin entering your text and photos. Check out more of our DIY templates for Gatefold funeral programs, as well as other styles, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.